No full pass, cause he didn't get to shift it right. Okay. Yeah, that was no full pass since he didn't get to shift it good. You gotta shift that thing and be doing something. Okay. I thought that was low truck. Alright, where y'all going after this? My people on TikTok, y'all remember, if you want to check it out on widescreen, my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. And I'm live right now. Okay. Let me see. Oh boy, got this old truck sounding good. Oh, Flores boys. Let me see. What side y'all got? I don't know. I kind of want to go with the Mustang. I mean the Camaro, but I don't know which side to go on. Left lane or right lane?
Hey, your car's up here. That mess can pull it up.
Okay.
And my truck is right here. Come on, man.
Okay, bet. We're gonna get this race and then we going back there. What's out? They saying this truck, y'all. Oh, that bitch leaving good. That's how we need low shit leaving.
Shit leaving hard, too.
Do another one.
I got $10 up and bet 5 of it right now.
I got left lane. Bet 5. You got the right lane?
Yeah.
So we betting 5 too?
No.
Oh, okay.
I got my bet down.
Oh, you already got
this.
You?
I might do that 5.
Okay. Hey, y'all. What are you doing? I hope that he don't leave like that.
I might switch my fucking video.
Oh boy, he say he talking about switching his opinion, y'all. He talking about switching his opinion. Okay.
I got nothing to lose anyway.
Not me though, right? You talking about betting 5, me 5? Oh, you already got somebody else. Okay. Oh, he got me too, y'all. I got the truck, man.
I've already got both my best places.
Yeah, who you got?
I got the truck, 20. Man,
God damn, he trying to overdo it, motherfucker. Hey, yeah. Hey, man. Here we go. I got the truck for the 5. Here we go, y'all. Easy 5. Easy 5, y'all. He called red light, no race, y'all. Look. He did too. Look. Hey, look out, check out all my people that's on TikTok. Come on with it. All my people that's on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Y'all need about 400 more people to get to 25,000 subs. Right now, I'm about to make a pass in my, I guess I'm finna go and make a pass in the Caprice, y'all. I got the Caprice at the front of the line. Yeah. I guess. All right, that's a bet. Come on.
Driving and recording?
Yeah. Hey, Lo, you want to drive this bitch?
Yeah, you drive that truck.
Yeah, come on. You drive this bitch. Let me turn your traction control off for you. Hold up, we turn it. All right, there we go. Oh, yeah. All right, you ready?
I ain't scared.
All right, as it's hunching like that, just kind of let it want to do it. Like, it's gonna be hard to stop it with the brake. So just pop it back in neutral if it don't want to cooperate. All right. See something. Oh yeah, yeah. Boom. Hold up. The truck too. Oh shit. Low time back. What?
Is the air conditioner on?
Yeah.
Cut down.
There we go. We're cutting the air off on this thing, y'all. We appreciate that, John Glasscock. Hit and subscribe. Okay. Truck need to go on hook now. Hey, he going too got that. Hey, we probably need to go back. All right, he done. Okay. Hello. Let me see some.
Do the burnhouse behind the peninsula.
The who?
So do the burnhouse behind the peninsula.
Yeah, I tried to tell them that. They wouldn't listen.